The world of spy trade, often fueled by James Bond and other thrilling movies, has captured our imagination with its portrayal of covert devices. However, the reality revealed by the CIA Museum in Washington, D.C. is far more captivating than we could have ever imagined. Among the remarkable gadgets showcased is the Insectothopter, a drone-like dragonfly straight out of a spy fantasy. Developed in the 1970s, the Insectothopter was a true marvel of engineering and innovation. Designed to resemble a dragonfly, it boasted a miniature gasoline engine, a radio receiver, and a tiny camera. Its purpose? To carry out undercover surveillance missions while seamlessly blending into natural surroundings. Just imagine a dragonfly silently fluttering about, discreetly capturing vital intelligence. The Insectothopter exemplifies the remarkable lengths intelligence agencies have gone to gather information covertly. It reminds us that reality often surpasses fiction when it comes to the ingenuity of spy technology.